Wait, there's an animal that poops perfect little cubes. It's true. The Australian wombat has one of the strangest talents in the animal kingdom. Their intestines squeeze and shape poop into neat cubes, like nature's Play-Doh factory. They use these cube poops to mark territory, and because they're square, they don't roll away. Scientists say it's all about the unique gut elasticity, a design you won't see anywhere else in nature. Crazy, right? Would you ever guess an animal could do this? Drop a poop in the comments if you're amazed, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.